Hello, my name is Ethan. Yeah, with Ethan here, and I will give you another trick. This one I call Anesthesia. It looks like this. So how you do Anesthesia is you throw a breakaway into a double or nothing. See? And then, just like in Descend, you're going to swing the yo-yo over. It's easier if you have your hands like this, by the way, pointed upward. And then you hop over those two strings. Over the strings in double or nothing, like this. So, okay, crap. Okay, so hop over. Damn it! Hop over the strings, like that, and then in Descend you would usually just stop. You would just stop there. Anyways, you just hop over and then land on the same string that you once were. One step ago, and once you get into that position, there's this string here that's over your throw hand first finger, and then you want to pass the yo-yo over that. Want to pass the yo-yo over, and then uncross your hands completely. So then from there, this next step is way easier if you... So, you know these two strings here. One at the base of your finger. Another one around the middle. You'll then want to place your thumb underneath the one at the base of your finger. Like this. And then you'll have only this string at the front. And then you want to pass the yo-yo over that again. So we're doing two passes. So we're halfway through the trick now. So anyways, once you do that, there's this sort of twist of string here. That's what's going to form the green triangle. And then after this, we're in a cross-arm formation. We then want to take away our first finger on our throw hand completely. And then from here, we're going to want to take our throw hand, and then we want to move it like this, all the way around. Okay. Just... So, you have this formation around one of your fingers. And then you want to move your throw hand around. If you look above, it should go in a clockwise direction. So like this. Under your arm. There. And then... Once you undo that, you're in a double green triangle. So how you dismount from that is actually, this is pretty easy to dismount. You just take this string here that's closest to you, and then you just pop out the front like this. And then you could just drop it, there's no knots. But if you want to make this trick look a tad bit more flashy, you could take this, then dump it out the side. Dump it out your dominant hand side. And then you have this sort of loop of string here. One on the lower end, one on the higher. After that, you could just swing the yo-yo, land it on the lower string, and then drop it. You're in a green triangle. So this one, you also pop out the front. You go into trapeze, and then you do, and then you do your bind. And that is Anesthesia. Let me show you that again. And there you go.